Hi friends, welcome back to Smart as a Tech Study. So in this video I have brought one amazing job opportunity which is Reliance Jio off-campus drive 2022 for engineer training, which is the qualification will be BE B.Tech across India. So coming to detailed, so Reliance Jio off-campus drive 2022 for freshers for BE B.Tech graduates. The detailed eligibility and application process are given below. In the given below, the Reliance Jio we have the campus drive details. So the company name is Jio Platforms Limited. Job role is graduate engineer training and graduate network engineer training, GNet and GET. For the post role of two kind of posters, the qualification will be B Bachelor of Engineering, B.Tech Bachelor of Technology. So they have not mentioned a particularly batch. So all the candidates up to 2015 to 2022 batches can are eligible for this drive. All batches, not limited to 2010 only. All the B.Tech batches experience will be freshers and the salary will be 3.5 LPA. The job locations are Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore and Mysore. So the last date is as soon as possible, ASAP. So detailed eligibility, graduating for the post of graduate engineer training, which is GET, B.Tech fresher, skills and competencies, knowledge of 4G, 3G and 2G network. You must have the knowledge in fourth generation, third generation and second generation networking technology. And the next one is knowledge of network deployment, communication skills. You must have communication skills in English. You must be well in written and verbal skills. So the next one is analytical skills. You must have analytical skills, which is mind mathematical skills and team player. You have to work with in team, so you must be a good team player in that organization. So the next one is business acumen. You must know after joining this job, you must know the business competencies and business, what are the how Geo earns money through business. So job responsibilities include design, plan and engineer end-to-end international networks. So everyone try to watch the video fully so that you must know what are the needed and what are not needed. So everyone must watch the video till the end. After watching this video, then apply. You will know easily how to apply the process. I will tell you that one also. So hit a like, subscribe and share. So moving into the video, design, plan and engineer end-to-end international networks. So you have to work with networks. So coordinate with the device and product teams to develop requirements to support 4G, 3G and 2G roaming capability. So international roaming, have you heard about international roaming, local roaming? So you have to implement that roaming capability. Validate technical requirements and design for enabling global roaming. That includes authentication, authorization, accounting, billing, provisioning, performance management, etc. in seamless manner. So next one is support the preparation of technical level proposals for network deployment, upgrades, investments or with business unit inputs for internal business decisions and budgeting. Execute validation of service provider capabilities in terms of performance, coverage, etc. So the next responsibility will be analyze and troubleshoot network performance, root analysis. So how to perform root analysis in your job role. So identify root cause issues and make recommendation for improvement. So you have to recommend the recommendation for the product improvement. So you are also required to identify the root causes. So for next level is graduate network engineer trainee job role. The education requirement will be BE Bachelor of Engineering, EEE Electronics, ECE and TC fresher. Skill competencies, knowledge of networking fundamentals, problem solving and analytical skills. So interpersonal skills will be, you must have interpersonal skill, which is communication skills, nothing but team player, as I have mentioned in get position also you must have a team player. So job responsibility for the role of graduate network engineer trainee will be understand requirements from business planning regulatory teams, plan network design and architecture for all businesses. So another role is another responsibility is execute network capacity. So in order to apply for the job you have to know the responsibilities because it will be asked in your TR technical round. So you must have to know about what are the job responsibilities before you doing that job. So it is a basic thing. As you know, it is a basic thing. You must know what you have to do in your job. So ensure material tracking and reconciliation management, visit sites regularly and ensure all sites are operational. So the job category, so basically this job is for network engineer. You have to supervise the networking quality, so as well as supervise the radio frequency optimization related activities, assist senior field engineers in audits on time to time basis. So the next job responsibility will be execute field activities as per work orders issued by network operation centers, meet customer conduct surveys and provide feedback on network coverage and capacity improvement. So these are the job responsibilities for the network engineer in Geo. So the job profession will be graduate network engineer trainee. So coming to the how to apply Reliance Jio off-campus drive. All interested and eligible candidates can apply this drive in online as soon as possible. So I in description link I will put this link in description. So you have to apply that link. I will provide you description in this link in description job application link for more details and apply. If you are belong to Mumbai, if you want to work in Mumbai, so you have to apply this two locations for graduate engineer training and these three locations for graduate network. This is network engineer, this is graduate engineer positions. So if you want to work in Mumbai, so option for Mumbai, this click here, as well as Bangalore as and after the role is network engineer, apply both roles also. If you need job very urgently, then you must have to apply both roles, that means graduate engineer training and network engineer training, and you must be open to any kind of locations. So if you want to go with Mysore, then click here to then apply this link. So I will drop this is for now the video, so you must hit a like. And so before ending this video, I will show you one amazing trick. So I have in our channel Smart as a Tech Study, you have to come playlists, and in playlists I have make different kinds of IT MNC job notifications. Come view playlist, click here. So apply if the job notification is this does not expire. So view watch these videos also, you will know TCS enhanced salary and how to improve coding skills, Capgemini job recruitment and how to get software job as fresher. So which language is better, either Java or C++ or C. So all this information will be available in our website in the playlist of IT MNC job notifications. So this is for now friends, Reliance Jio off campus drive about also. So thanks for watching, we will meet in next video. Until then, hit a like, subscribe and share. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.